Good day from Junction City. We're here at Guarantee RV. My name is Dennis. I'm here to show you this 2018 Class C Four Winds, a 22B. Great family machine to have a lot of fun in. Let's take a moment, let's go inside. This unit has a slide in the bedroom, the queen bed in the corner, a nice walk around, your bathroom in the other corner with shower and all facilities. Double door reefer for food room, cooktop, microwave, dinette for eating and sleeping. Right now we have it in the down position as a sleeping setup. We also have the overhead bunk, which is one of the best beds in the unit. The kids fight for this bed with the TV. Of course, your Ford F-350 cab area, robust V10 engine. This unit has less than 5,000 miles. Ready to go have fun. Let's take a look outside real quick. Here on the outside, obviously we have a nice large awning so you can sit outside. Access to the roof, you can walk on this roof. The slide out here is in the out position. Great storage here on the driver's side at the back. Your onboard generator, a little more storage, and of course your driver and passenger doors to make easy access. So, good day from Junction City, Guarantee RV, the capital of fun here in Northwest Oregon. My name is Dennis Gerard. The number's below if you'd like to reach out to me, or my number is 541-501-8056. Love to hear from you and have some fun.